Do you want to know how to make money doing nothing online? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of ways to make money online, and I'm often asked about ways where you can earn literally without doing anything, and there are a lot of misunderstanding and false expectations about what this means. So I decided to record this video here where I explain exactly how it works to make money doing nothing online, because there are some ways you can do it, but you need to do it with the right expectations and you need to choose the legit options, because there definitely also are scams you need to stay away from. So in this video, I will show you 5 realistic ways to literally make some extra money by doing nothing. So before we get to the list of the 5 methods I want to show you, I just want to explain a little bit more about what you can expect so you know if this is for you. Because one important thing to know is that online, many people think that they can just find some kind of magical way to become rich, so they just need to click a button and then they will be rich tomorrow. And that's just not how it works to make money online. If you want to earn passively like that, you first have to put in a lot of effort to build an online business, and then you will also make money when you do nothing, but that does not mean that you never have to do anything. So that's one aspect. And another aspect is that often people try to sell you this idea that what I just said is actually not true, because they have this magical system. So you just pay them money, of course, and then you learn to click a button and then you will become rich. And that's, again, just not true. They will just take your money and leave you with tools or training that is worthless. So do not trust anyone that claims that you can just click a button and then you will be rich tomorrow. So when that is said, there are actually ways where you can make money online by doing nothing. There are some where you can start earning right away with no risks, without any investment, without anything, but they will not necessarily make you a lot of money, so you just need to be aware of that. But as explained, you will be able to start right away without any risks. And then there are also some where you can potentially earn more, but where you would need to invest a little bit more into it, but still you would be able to earn by doing nothing. And in this video, I will show you different approaches, 5 different approaches, and then I will also explain exactly how much you can expect from each of them, and if there's any risks and what the advantages, disadvantages are, so you know exactly what to expect and can find out if these methods are for you. So with that said, let's now go over these 5 methods. So the first method I want to talk about is on a platform called Binance. And this is a cryptocurrency platform where you can, of course, you can invest in cryptocurrencies, but it also has a method where you can actually earn completely passively. Because once you put in money into your account here or put in cryptocurrencies, then you can invest them in different ways where you can just actually sit back and earn interest potentially. However, there is actually a method where you can get money into your account here without actually having to invest any of your own savings, and I'll explain a little bit more about this here a little bit later. But first, I just want to explain how this works, because inside Binance you have a couple of different options. When you have logged in, there is something called Finance here, and then you can go to Binance Earn. And here you have different options, and the ones I want to mention here is what's called savings and locked staking. Because, for example, the savings here, you can see that once you have some money here or certain currencies here, you can actually then transfer them here into a savings account, and you can see how much you can earn in interest. And these are just some of the examples here. They have really great tutorials on Binance itself that explains everything about exactly how it works. So you can just read about it there, but you can see some of them give it really great returns. So all you have to do is basically just to have your savings here, and then you will earn really great interests. And that is a really great method here. And then they also have what's called staking. And here, if you actually stake these different currencies here, you can see you can potentially get some really great interests here. And if you lock it for further than just 30 days, you can see up to 90 days here, it's more than 20%. Sometimes these options are sold out, so just be aware of that. I just also want to make it clear here that these methods here on Binance is something I just recently started looking into myself. and I'm just still testing it and will then make more videos here, but I came across them as great options and thought I wanted to share it in this video here because it can potentially be a way to actually earn interest without doing anything. But of course, here you would need to put some money into your account here to be able to use it. But that's what I mentioned earlier. You actually do not have to, as such, put any of your savings or anything like that. What I'm doing is I'm using a lot of different get paid to sites, and you will know that if you have watched any of my other videos, and many of them actually offers you to pay out in cryptocurrencies, for example Bitcoin or Litecoin, and other options as well. So what I then do, some of those earnings I will transfer into here, and then I will then invest them in some of these staking here or in these interest here to then grow those earnings I made for free on other sites. So that's kind of my strategy that I'm going to test out a lot more, and will also make more videos about that later. And this is the method I wanted to show you in this video here that potentially has the highest potential, but also, of course, you would need to put a little bit of money in. But also, as a bonus, if you join through my invitation link here, you will actually get a 10% discount of all the trades you do inside Binance for life. So I will leave a link below here so you can get that discount if you decide this option is for you. But I will now also go over 4 other methods. This one here on Binance is a little bit more complicated, but the returns can also be very big. The next ones I want to show you are very simple. There is no investment or anything like that at all. So let's go over the next ones now. So the next option where you can earn money by doing nothing is Honeygain. And Honeygain is an app you can download for your computer or for your phone. And then just by installing it, you will start earning by sharing your unused internet. So if you have unlimited internet plan, it can be a great way to earn some extra money without doing anything. If you pay for your internet or you just have a limited amount of gigabytes every month, then this is not a good option for you. But if you have unlimited, then you can just install it and let it run, and you can then earn. It will not give you huge earnings, but again, it will be very easy and you do not have to invest anything and you can start earning right away. And if you join through an invitation link, you will actually get a $5 joining bonus into your account right away. And I have such an invitation link on my website, and I'll leave a link below here so you can go there and sign up through that and get the bonus if you decide this is for you. And once you have then earned $20, you can take your earnings out either in cash via PayPal, or you can also get paid in Bitcoin. So this is one of the sites where you can potentially earn and transfer them into Binance and then invest them there if you want to try to grow your money further there. And Honeygain is an option you can use from any country, which is definitely also great. The next option here is called Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. And this is another option where you can just install it and forget all about it, and then you will earn points just by having it running. What it does is that it will collect data about how you use the internet. It will not collect any personal data, any passwords or anything like that. Anonymously, it will collect data and put it together with the data of all the other members. And then this will be used for market research to improve different services and to understand how users in general use the internet. So definitely also an easy way to earn a little bit extra. Again, the earnings here will not be huge, but you do not have to do anything. You just need to be aware that Nielsen Computer Mobile Panel is not available in all countries. Which countries it's available in will vary from time to time. It depends where they are looking for new members. But on my website, I will keep a list updated about the countries where I know that they currently are recruiting in. So I will also leave a link below here so you can go there and check out if it is currently available in your country. But if it's not, then do not worry. The other options I showed you earlier are available in all countries, and the next 2 options I will show you are also options you can use in all countries. But before I show you the last 2 options, I would really appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So the next option I want to talk about here is to use cashback sites, because here you can actually earn by just doing what you're already doing if you're ever shopping online. Because cashback sites are really great, because once you join, and if you then just do the online shopping you do anyways through that site, you just click a link, you're taken to the websites that you regularly use, you do your shopping there, and then you will get a percentage back. So you will actually save quite a lot of money like that. And money saved is money earned, so you can then use those extra earnings. And some of the sites here actually also offers to pay out in cryptocurrency if you want to then get the money into, for example, Binance to invest them further there. Or you can also, in most cases, take them out then in cash via PayPal. direct bank transfer as gift cards. So cashback websites are usually offering really great payout methods. Exactly which cashback sites are the best for you will depend on the country you live in, but some of the best sites will give you access to discounts and cashback on thousands of online stores. And on my website, I have a full list of some really great sites that are available in many different countries. So I'll leave a link below here, and then you can go there and check out which ones are the best for you and your country. And that list I will also keep updating when I come across new great cashback options. So if you ever shop online, I would definitely encourage you to make sure to do it through a cashback site, because that can be a great way to make money doing nothing else than you already do. The last option I want to go over here is called IP Royal, and IP Royal is actually quite similar to Honeygain, and I just wanted to show it here as an alternative. It is kind of the same way you earn. You can download an app on your device and then you can earn by sharing your unused internet. Personally, I prefer using Honeygain for that, but IP Royal is also a great way to do it, and I actually also know it does pay. I've been paid by it several times myself, and I also have a video here on my channel with payment proof, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here if you want to check that out. But overall, this can also be a great way to make a bit extra without doing anything, and here you can get paid already when you've actually earned $5, so the payout threshold is quite low, and you can get paid in cash via PayPal or in Bitcoin, so it also offers some great payout methods. As you can see, there are some really great ways to actually earn some extra money online without doing anything. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and if you do that and if you choose the legit sites, you have really great options. And I hope this video helped you figure out which options are the right for you and gave you some good tips and tricks about how you can start making some extra money without making any extra effort. But I just once again want to emphasize on the importance of not believing any of the claims or any of the people that are trying to sell you some kind of system where you just have to invest a lot of money in their system, and then they say you just click a button and then you will be guaranteed to earn thousands of dollars overnight, because those systems never work. They will just be a way to waste your money, and I just really want to emphasize on this, so you go into this with the right expectations and stay away from those and actually focus on the options that actually will make you money. And if this video helped you, then make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid To sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.